The Vertabral Body Motion Sensor, developed by the PKC team led by Josh Shahar and Dr. Thomas Chen at Pharmaco-Kinesis Corporation, is a smart implantable medical device for recipients of spinal fusion surgeries to verify proper fixation of fused vertebral bodies and detect independent movement of fused segments in the event of a failed or partial fusion. The Vertabral Body Motion Sensor, or VBMS, consists of a vertebral processor implant designed to monitor post-operative spinal fusion by collecting and interpreting data from multiple surgically implanted accelerometers. The data from the accelerometers is compared by an algorithm to determine the relative movement of the accelerometers implanted in adjacent vertebra. The vertebral processor is supplemented by an external activating belt periodically worn by the patient, which powers the device via inductive charging and permits data transfer for feedback analysis. Back pain is one of the most commonly treated medical conditions in the United States today, and is second only to the common cold as the most common reason for physician visits. Although its causes are multifactorial, degenerative disc disease is often involved in the pathogenesis and subsequent propagation of lower back pain. The achievement of a bony fusion is necessary for bone regeneration and healing, and is crucial to the success of many orthopedic procedures. Fusion is performed with a variety of instrumentations that are used to hold the spine in a certain position. The actual process of bony fusion, however, is biological and consists of osteoblasts crossing from one bone to another, forming a bridge of bone called the fusion mass. Adjacent segments are commonly held together with pedicle screws or similar instrumentation, immobilizing them, thus enhancing the fusion rate. However, even with the use of spinal fixation, the development of a bony fusion is not consistent in every case. The PKC Vertebral Body Motion Sensor provides a practical solution to determining whether two spine segments are still fused together. Coordinated by a vertebral processor implant, the attachment of individual accelerometers to the fixating bone screws transforms standard hardware into a smart detection system for spinal pseudarthrosis. This approach enables real-time feedback anywhere, anytime during the patient's normal routine activities. When the external communication belt is worn, the device is activated via inductive charging and a sensor reading can be taken. The implanted processor allows information about the instrumentation to be passed on to the treating surgeon and the physical therapist, alerting them in the event of an unsuccessful fusion or a loose or broken screw. An accelerometer at the segments above and below will let the physician know over time if there is increased motion that may lead to stress and pressure on the adjacent segments, accounting for pain. The accelerometer is implanted so that it forms a geometric configuration that can be used to determine the position of the patient. This will allow the physical therapist the ability to provide the patient with the best bending motion to strengthen the back without stressing the rest of the fusion. The Pharmaco-Kinesis Vertebral Body Motion Sensor will permit greater success in spinal fusion procedures and more effective recovery with a safe range of mobility for patients who undergo such surgeries. Pharmaco-Kinesis, accelerating innovation in smart medical devices.